So let's combine these two. So it will be alpha minus 1 is equal to alpha square tau square omega square minus alpha tau square omega square, and take out tau square omega square common, and it will be alpha minus 1 tau square omega square. This is alpha minus 1, so cancel this with this, and tau square omega square is equal to 1 over alpha, which shows that omega is equal to omega square is equal to tau square alpha, and omega is equal to 1 over tau alpha square root. So this is the frequency corresponding to the maximum phase. So this is omega phi m, right? And you can calculate this frequency by differentiation, and another way to calculate this frequency is using the visual symmetry in the visual symmetry of the lines. So if there are two corners, it's very obvious that this frequency is just right in the center of the two corners. The maximum value will be right in the center of two corners. And we know that what are the values of these two corners? The pole is at, the 0 is at 1 over alpha tau, pole is at, the frequency corner of the pole is at 1 over tau. So the center of this will be remember, this is the this graph is straight lines when this horizontal scale is log scale. So then this becomes straight lines. So this is the arithmetic mean on the log scale. So what I mean from here, that arithmetic mean log of 1 over tau, the frequency of 1 over tau, log of 1 over tau alpha plus log of 1 over tau divided by 2 is equal to log of omega phi m, which is very visible from this, that this peak is right in the center of two corners on a log scale, because frequency is plotted in the log scale over here. So this peak is right in the center of two corners, and now simplifying this, what we get is, this is I can convert these two addition into product, log of omega phi m, log of omega phi m is equal to log of 1 over tau alpha and 1 over tau. It will be 1 over tau square alpha, and this 1 over 2 will be outside, and we can take this power on top. So log of omega phi m is equal to log of 1 over tau square alpha, and power is shifted on top, and now you can cancel this log easily, and omega phi m is 1 over tau square alpha square root, which is 1 over tau alpha square root, right? 1 over tau alpha square root is the frequency, and there is an important property over here. Remember, this is arithmetic mean over here becomes a geometric mean on the linear scale. Arithmetic mean on the log scale is, this is geometric mean, right? I just multiplied the pole, which is 1 over tau, and and location of 0 was 1 over tau alpha. So I just multiplied it, which becomes 1 over tau square alpha. And geometric mean I need to, then if there are two quantities, I need to take square root, three quantities, I need to take the cubic root, right? So this is a geometric mean. So this is important property, remember, might be useful somewhere. And that geometric mean on the log scale is arithmetic mean on